Hello everyone, welcome back. The other day I was cracking my head to think of what I want to do for this week. Something that is not so trending, but closest to my heart. And that's where I went to ChatGPT. I punched in some information about myself so that it can help to generate the idea. And I asked it, what is the animal that best describes me? Within split seconds, it started to generate a chunk of information, the trait of the animals that related to my characters. Guess what? It was a snow leopard. That was totally unexpected because all the while I wanted to be a bird. It represents freedom and carefree. And now I represented the cat family. The first thing that came into my mind was, am I that fierce? And do you realize that all the cat family loves to hunt alone other than the lion? I think this is a great exercise that helped me to discover myself. Alright, if you want to know about the trait of a snow leopard, you can refer to the information that I put down in the video description. And coming back to this drawing, it will be a full color pencils with background. And I hope you guys enjoy this time-lapse drawing video. See you soon!
What is most valuable things